We're in a little town called Amersham. It's actually really gorgeous and quaint. It's only like maybe 30 minutes by car. Old Amersham. It's really like quaint, and it's only about 30 minutes by car from London. So you can definitely come here for a day out. You know, if you have a car, if you live near London, definitely a good option. And I have here a little toasted sandwich. There's one of the cafes does really good vegan options. So I got cashew nuts. What was it? Cashew nut, vegan cheese, and I think tomato or something. It's a toasted sandwich. So yeah, we're just walking around. I didn't really show you inside the shop. It was a bit quiet, but it was like a really cute local grocer. So they had all amazing, you know, food and sauces and everything. And yeah, just walking around all the local shops. I just noticed that.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon, won't you?
My mum is desperate for me to tell you guys that there was filming location here in one of the pubs for 4 weddings and a funeral, so she's telling me I have to show you guys. So this hotel was apparently featured in the film. You can't see it completely, but yeah, it's a pub and hotel, and apparently it was featured in the film. Hi guys, I've literally just come back. As you can see, gorgeous little setting sunlight there. But yeah, we were in Old Amersham, which I showed you guys a little bit of. It was more of just like a cute little wholesome family trip. So I just wanted to enjoy it rather than vlog everything. And it was really cold and windy, so I just couldn't be bothered to, you know, show you guys every single thing. But it's just a nice high street with a lot of cottages, houses. I'm not sure what period it's from. I would say maybe like 15th to 17th century style of architecture, all very original. A lot that looks exactly the same as from the 1900s, like, you know, the facade of all the buildings and everything. But they had some grocers and charity shops, and I have one thing to show you guys that I got in a charity shop. I think it's there. They have a couple there, I think maybe 2. This is Thames Hospice, and they do actually sell on eBay as well. It was £6, size small. It was a UK 6, but it's an oversized jumper. I didn't even see what. Does it say something? Actually, looking at it from this angle, it has, what does that say? Rowe? I can't tell backwards, but anyway, I think it has some kind of text. And then this pattern, and then these kind of cream and pink pattern sleeves. As you can see, it's a 6, but it's oversized, so it's going to be very, very comfy. Love the colors, very girly and fun and trendy. Like this kind of jumper, I think, is super trendy for Christmas. We've passed Christmas now, going into January now, but I do really like this kind of pattern, and I can wear it all through winter up to probably like March. So I'm going to get a good wear of this. Obviously it's going straight in the wash. I think what I'm going to do is wash this along with this coat, because honestly this is like my coat from when I was about 10 years old for skiing. I kept it all this time and it's come back into fashion. Don't need to buy a new puffer. I've got this one. It's still in decent condition, you know, it's wearable. On the inside it's like a grey fleece, and then look at my cute little jumper. This is I think this is a cashmere jumper, and then it has a heart over my heart on the left side, on the left boob. But yeah, it's just a nice little Christmas cashmere jumper I've had for a really long time. Then I'm wearing skinny, kind of, not skinny, but mum jeans from New Look. I can't really show it from here, but yeah, they're the ones I always wear. You'll have seen them in other vlogs. And this was it, really simple outfit, but I got a couple of pictures as well. So that's my update. We're in Liberty. The sales are on, so it's a bit crazy. I'll show you the sales racks in a second. But yeah, it's a little bit crazy in here. I just wanted to come here to get some pictures, show my parents around. We're in the beauty section, and it's taking a lot of power to not look at the gift sets and sales. I really want to buy something. Obviously I probably won't, because I have already bought a lot in the sales, but yeah, there's a whole beauty department. Hi guys, getting ready to go out. Not quite yet. I'm not rushing as I normally am in my get ready with me videos, about to head out the door. I do have actually a couple of hours almost, but I thought I'd film this now, so I'm doing it in no rush. I have time to relax and calm down before I leave. I'm not, you know, rushing at the last second. So I'll go through the outfit a little bit, although I showed you a little montage, I think, of my makeup. This is a Primark blouse with, I think, also like a nude beige Primark not bodysuit, but like tight tank top underneath because it's very sheer. This is a Marks and Spencer faux tweed skirt. I don't think it's actually tweed, but I got it years and years ago for work, and it fits really nicely. Zip up at the back, and then has these really cute details that I always think are very like Tommy Hilfiger-esque. And then black tights and black boots. The ones I always wear, they're just these ankle boots from New Look. And yeah, then I have a little New Look handbag. I'll film a little clip right before I leave as well, just to give you an overview again. And for perfume, I have it right here. I'm wearing the YSL Mon Paris perfume. Heading out now. These are my New Look boots that I'm wearing. Hello. So yeah, same outfit as before, as I told you. I have a black jacket that I showed you in my previous vlog and during Vlogmas. It's on my Instagram. It's a New Look black aviator jacket, a blue scarf, the black bag, which I don't think I have shown you. Here, this one is just like a small shoulder bag from New Look. And that's it. I just topped up my perfume, my lipstick, and I'm ready to go. This way.
Thank you. Cheers.
Hello guys, just a quick update post theatre. I thought I would include my review that would add some value, some more value to this vlog. So yeah, we went to the theatre Sadler's Wells, which I've never been to. It's in Angel, which I think is North London, more East London actually. It's East London, I think. But anyway, it's a very modern theatre. It's not like the Royal Opera House where more traditional ballets are. I think this one's more for like modern performances. So this was done by Matthew Bourne. I don't know what you call him, but he was like the, I think, producer and creator of the show, potentially choreographer, but it was a more modern take on Sleeping Beauty in terms of the dance. So it's the ballet, but it definitely was, there was more like interpretive dance involved in it, more so than just ballet moves, if that makes sense. So I did really enjoy it. It was still a good ballet, definitely the kind of thing, type of performance you'd go if you buy a ballet ticket. And me and my friend managed to get some really amazing last minute deals. So very, very pleased about that. I manifested it because I wanted to see Sleeping Beauty. It's one of my favorite films. The music, everything, I love it. It's iconic. Even love the Maleficent films. I don't know what it is. It's just very nostalgic and whimsical and aspirational. I don't know what it is, but yeah, so really glad I ticked that off the list and my friend invited me, and then we got last minute really cheap tickets, just perfect. We got amazing seats thanks to that. And yeah, we had some Prosecco, which I think I included clips of, and the performance was lovely. Really good composition. They played Tchaikovsky, obviously, which is the Sleeping Beauty waltz. You guys will know it from the Disney film, which I think is also incorporated into Once Upon a Dream, if you know that song. So yeah, really happy I got to see that, and I would recommend it overall. It was good. It wasn't the best because I do prefer Swan Lake and more traditional ballets, because that's what I would want to go to the ballet for, to see the traditional ballerinas. But the set design, costumes, acting, dancing, everything was perfect. I couldn't notice anything wrong. Storyline was good, slightly different to the original and everything, but again, more of a modern, slightly different take. So I'd recommend it if you like the story, if you like the ballet, if you like a more modern take on it. Highly recommend testing it out. I think it's more, I think, for like a feminine, girly kind of thing, because it's based on a fairy tale. So you could take your mom or sister or grandma or something, your best friend even. So yeah, I would recommend it. And overall, I'd probably maybe give it 8 out of 10, just because it wasn't my absolute favorite ballet, but it was still really, really good. Just adding in this cocktail shimmer. It's a very, very light cocktail because yes, I know it's still daytime. So I literally just put, where is it? Like up to there, that amount of gin. So yeah, that's my justification. But this is raspberry flavored cocktail shimmer. So you're not meant to put too much in, so I'll be quite light-handed. So this is what I used for the drink. Rose cocktail shimmer, raspberry flavored. This is the drink. It's in this cute little holographic glass. It's just a little bit of gingerbread and clementine gin with tropical juice and the shimmer. And then I'm going to light the candle. I'll show you everything when it's done. Got a little bit of this. I tried to go for a pink and blue theme. That's what everyone on TikTok was recommending because I wanted to do a fun little themed thing. So then I've got some pink and multicolored marzipan with blueberries. I've got some cheese on toast that I'm going to eat as well for my lunch, but this is kind of like a dessert for after. So this is what my little setup looks like now. I'm having a proper lunch, and obviously, as you can see, it's daylight still. So like I said, a very weak drink, but I still wanted to make a nice cocktail just for the aesthetics. And obviously I'm going to drink it and enjoy it, but I just wanted it as part of the video. So yeah, I've got Sleeping Beauty here on Disney Plus, ready to watch. Little dessert, and then I lit this candle. I was waiting to charge my electrical charger, and this is the Faith coconut and palm, and obviously it's blue. I don't have very many pink and blue accessories. I know my whole flat is like themed in pink, I know that, but like in terms of things that I can actually set up and use as part of watching the film and eat, I didn't have much pink and blue. So actually I forgot, I didn't even think about it, but the blueberries are blue. Obviously, I didn't even register that, but yeah, they're technically a shade of blue, so they count, and they're a healthy snack as well. So this is my little setup with the drink and the film and everything. This is the best I could do, and it's not really gone pink. I don't know if I might add in maybe a little more shimmer. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed. It's not really gone pink, and I can't see much of the shimmer. I might just leave it as it is, but yeah, there we go. So I was pretty much just inspired after yesterday's ballet performance. When I was watching it, and after I told my friend, how I was just thinking I really want to watch the film now, especially for the Once Upon a Dream song, which I think is taken from Tchaikovsky's Sleeping Beauty waltz. And yeah, it's just aesthetically my absolute favorite old Disney film, traditional Disney film. So I thought it would just be a really cute option. I haven't watched the classics in a long time. Why not? You know, I'm a child at heart, I'm a Disney adult, I really enjoy it, and they're just really cute classics, so why not? So I have a very belated yes style order, and honestly I made this like 2 months ago, and I don't know if it was the strikes in the UK that affected it, but yeah, it was very, very delayed. So yeah, in the end there was a lot of hassle, but I didn't have to do anything. It was just a bit annoying, but let me get some scissors and I will, here's a little sneak peek. I will do, okay, I've got it now. I'm not going to open and do first impressions, all that. I'm just going to show you what I actually bought first. And it's all cruelty free and I think mostly vegan. And this is the ginseng cleansing oil from the brand, I believe is Beauty of Joseon. Everything was on sale. So it's like genuinely like authentic Korean brands. And here you apply 1 to 2 pumps onto dry skin. You can see the ingredients, it looks pretty good. And yeah, cleansing oil will probably be mainly for removing makeup, but it just looks like a good cleanser overall. That's usually the only liquid product I'll use on my face anyway. Then from a brand called Jumiso, I might be mispronouncing it, but yeah, I'm trying. And this is the all-day vitamin brightening balancing. I believe it is vitamin C. I don't know why it says vitamin tree extract. I'm pretty sure they mean C. And yeah, then niacinamide as well. So I believe all of this is going to be very, very brightening. And there you go. It's vegan, plant-based brightening and lightweight. So it looks really good. Hopefully I love the brand. I don't remember all the prices, but you can look it up if you are interested in anything. Here, this one looks really good. It's kind of giving me road vibes. And it's the Dermide Cissa Barrier Sleeping Pack with squalane and panthenol. I believe squalane is kind of like a retinol alternative. So it's meant to be very anti-aging and kind of smoothing and boost, like a boost for the skin to smooth it. Nourishing hydration, dry sensitive skin from Purito. I do really like the brand. I've tried quite a few of their stuff. Looking forward to trying that out. I think they gave me a random little tester. Skin 1004, Hyla-Sissa, so again, Sissa with hyaluronic acid. It's probably meant to be very, very moisturizing. So a little one-time use serum. And then finally, from Beauty of Joseon, Glow Deep Serum with rice and alpha arbutin. So it's, I believe, an AHA extract. And yeah, it's kind of like a serum that you would use probably overnight. So it looks really good.